June 23rd. Madhupur in Punjab's Pathankot district. Narendra Modi addresses his first public rally after being elevated as BJP's campaign committee chief for 2014. Modi races the contentious Uniform Civil Code issue.
दो विधान, दो प्रधान, दो निशान नहीं चलेंगे। उस बात के लिए श्यामा प्रसाद जी बलि चढ़ गए। श्यामा प्रसाद जी का जो सपना था, दो प्रधानों से देश मुक्त कराओ, कश्मीर मुक्त कराओ, आज हमारा भी सपना होना चाहिए। ये दो प्रधान देश चला रहे हैं, देश को तबाह किया है, उनसे भी देश को मुक्ति दिलाते हैं।
72 hours after Modi sounds the poll bugle, BJP announces a vision document for the minorities, a first in the party's 33-year history. Stunning pundits who said Modi's elevation meant to return to BJP's hardline agenda.
For a party aiming to capture power at the centre, the Bharatiya Janata Party has always had a big question mark around it. L.K. Advani's Rath Yatra pitchforks the saffron party from the fringes of Indian politics to ruling elite in a matter of 15 years. But the legacy of Ram Janmabhoomi movement has always tied down the BJP, prevents it from being embraced by all, especially the Muslims.
2 decades after Babri Masjid demolition, the BJP is at a fork. To return to its core Hindutva hardline or to have a broader agenda that includes the minorities. A choice will have to be made as elections are a year away. A puzzle will have to be solved by Narendra Modi, which could also pave way for 7 Racecourse Road. Hello and welcome to this week's episode of Politics First, the politics of polarization.
25th September 1990, the then BJP President L.K. Advani launches Rath Yatra from Somnath to Ayodhya. The end game of BJP's Ram Janmabhoomi movement, launched 4 years earlier under Advani, demanding a Ram Mandir to be built at Ayodhya. Advani's Rath Yatra and BJP's Mandir politics engulfed the nation with such overwhelming intensity and whipped up a strong Hindu fervour that the Saffron Party tasted power at the centre less than a decade later.
The Babri Masjid demolition is such a big scar, and the people who led this, they were the BJP people. Bringing down of the Babri Mosque, welfare step for the minorities, this is what their politics has been so far.
It reflects a politics which is basically against a particular community because of their religion, and that is what the BJP's identity is, that is what their politics is, and that is what they practice in Gujarat.
Advani's Rath Yatra worked as a great mobilizer for the BJP. Unfortunately for the party, the multiplier effect is still being felt, but in a negative way. The Rath Yatra hangs as an albatross of Hindutva around the BJP's neck, an accessory that BJP and Advani alternately embrace and at times try hard to shrug off. Something that the BJP patriarch realized rather painfully after the 2009 polls, where he was projected as BJP's prime ministerial candidate.
Advani ji tried when he visited to Pakistan, when he announced first time that Jinnah was a secular leader of the country. What happened to him?
The nature of Indian politics is somewhere secular. Otherwise, if you remain hardliner, you cannot rule. You can rule in a state, but not at the national level. And I think that they have learned this lesson.
Polarizing the votes in states where the Muslims have a significant say was the fear of L.K. Advani becoming Prime Minister, tilting the scales massively in Congress's favour in 2009 as a party more likely to stop the BJP. Now with the emergence of Narendra Modi as a possible contender for the top job, BJP feels history may repeat itself, and hence the need to do something it has done never before in its history: engage the minorities.
You know, what I find very funny is that when any other party does anything specific about minorities or the Muslims, either a report or an initiative or a special focus, they call it Muslim appeasement and minority appeasement. When they do it, they kind of, want to show it in a different light.
नॉन इश्यूज को इशू बना करके हमारे सो कॉल्ड सेकुलर सुरमा एक्सप्लाइट करते रहे. नो अपीजमेंट बट एम्पावरमेंट. अपीजमेंट के नाम पर जो जिस तरह पॉलिटिकल एक्सप्लाइटेशन हुआ माइनॉरिटीज़ का, चाहे वो आपका देखें तो एजुकेशनल हो, सोशल हो, इकोनॉमिक हो.
बचपन में कहावत कुछ कही गई है. एक कहावत है मुंह में राम बगल में छुरी. दूसरा और भी ज्यादा कहा था, भेड़ के खाल में सियार. वही हाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी का है. वो पार्टी वेलफेयर के साथ गोधरा का भी जरा वेलफेयर साथ में घोषित कर दें तो शायद लगेगा कि हम सत्यता पर जा रहे हैं.
When other parties were doing the same thing, when we were talking about the welfare of the minorities, they would always blame us and the other so-called secular parties of appeasement.